our pledges. Will everybody please stand? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today I will do my best. I promise to be a leader and protect myself, others, and my school. I promise to learn and cheat by using the 7 habits in all I do. At Lion Creek, all belong, all learn, all lead, I succeed. Now we will hear from James about our first habit, be proactive. Proactive means I have an I can do it attitude. I choose my own actions, moods, and attitude, and I do the right thing without being asked, even when nobody's looking. Now let's hear from one of